do a weather and climate book review. Let's open up. Here's the clouds that I showed you earlier. Alright, let's just here above. Cumulonimbus clouds, which means thunderhead. This I just drew. These are, but there's no way a cloud would go all the way up to the mother of pearl clouds. Well, those are very high thin clouds that only live in the stratosphere. Cirrus clouds live in the edge of the troposphere. And there's right here, inoculant clouds. Aurora borealis and australis. Then there's, and they split the layers even more. The D layer, E layer, F1 layer, F2 layer, F2 layer. Temperature column. X-rays stop at the E layer. Ultraviolet penetrates into most of it's absorbed by the stratosphere, and some small amounts reach the surface. The visible light penetrates all the way through the atmosphere and reaches the surface. Same with infrared infrared penetrates and then it weakens when it gets to the surface. Same with radio. It goes through, but it weakens a little bit above, and it's a little bit weak, but visible light is the only one that penetrates completely. X-rays are absorbed right here. And it shows you even the same area. Observation rocket, meteoroids. They orbit, and some satellites orbit right there. Van Allen belts. U.S. polar orbit. There's the thunderhead cloud again. The ozone layer. Just show you one section. Now this is just showing you the same layer of the atmosphere. What is the ionosphere, which is way high above. That's night, and I just drew those clouds in there. There's the Earth's magnetic shielding. The aurora oval. There it is again. Magnetosphere. Now it shows you reflection of heat by clouds. Emission comes at 100. Some are reflected by clouds, dispersed at atmosphere, right away from atmosphere, absorbed by the Earth's surface. Ooh. The red light goes the distance, and the birth of the blues. And there's the red light goes the distance. Now it shows you some different altitudes. I just drew that cloud. Same with that one and that one. That's not a middle finger. That's supposed to be a puffy cumulus cloud and a high cloud. Now this is the pollution. Carbon dioxide, methane, oxidants, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, benzene, which is a hydrocarbon, coronium, smoke, chlorine, fluoride, mercury, hydrogen sulfide, arsenic, nickel, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, sulfur dioxide, zinc, lead, carbon dioxide, of course, nitrogen monoxide. Yeah, I just drew that cloud in there because I don't know those compounds are for clouds. Here's those pollutants: sulfur dioxide, water, hydrox radical, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen monoxide, oxygen. Now it's sulfur. I think this is how sulfuric acid forms and destroys plants. The sky above the South Pole in winter. The sky over Antarctica in spring. Air in motion. Mobile projection of the Earth. Show you there's another projection on the right. Ooh, low pressure, high pressure. These just present two different low pressure and high pressure. This just show you that those two I just drew, and these are the ones that are known. It's a clouds build up and shrink down. Ooh, low pressure system. Those are just two clouds are drawn. One area which is cold represents snow, and one area which is warm represents rain. Another cloud. Italy. Okay. Clouds. Low pressure system. Drew that. Same with this one. Drew that. Now here's the cumulus cloud. Cumulonimbus. I think this is how tornadoes form. Rain. Updraft. And then if the cumulonimbus continues to grow stronger and stronger, it will appear spiraling updrafts and rain until the tornado forms at the bottom. And this is the squall line. And tornadoes develop on the southern end. That lightning bolt I just put there. Right there. Throwing machine. It's just showing you how clouds develop into thunderheads. Look at this. Cumulus clouds, nimble stratus clouds, which are rain clouds right here. Stratus clouds are below the nimble stratus, so when it rains you see, like when you point a laser, you may see, I think the laser beam goes to the nimble stratus, but also goes to a layer of stratus. Cumulonimbus, stratocumulus, these little disc-shaped clouds. This shows how thunder clouds are. Cumulus, large cumulus cloud. I think this becomes to a cumulonimbus, feathery top. These are more rare. Those ones you don't see. See? It's like its type of cloud. And that's the thunderhead. And then after the storm moves, it'll break them into separate clouds. Let me show you the movement. Those two are just drawn in there. Same with the others in that last page. Nothing drawn in here. That shows you how thunder is inside the cloud. That one I drew there. Because there's probably a thunderstorm has a couple thunder heads and some high clouds. And show you how discharge happens. And now these are cap clouds, which are mountain clouds like that. Why do clouds form over mountains like this? It's because of eddies and the leeward cloud. Eddy. Because the mountain creates eddies behind like that. And it forms. I think it's getting fog. Fog is normally formed when clouds reach the surface like this. Now this one is what causes rain, hail, and snow. It's the big cloud. I'm not sure if this looks like that in real life. Never seen, but you see clouds do grow behind it too. I just drew that there for a reason, and this shows you right here. Shows you how rain forms, how hail forms, and how snow forms. This one's a tropical squall, which is a warm rain. It never gets past that blue area. It stays in the red, and it shows the little clouds below. And it shows how these form, and then this, and then very after sunset. Artificial rain, which is uses silver iodide. Natural rain is different. Now we'll have this ice storm. Like that. Now atmospheric pressure. Look here. Cumulus clouds. This is how hurricanes form. A tropical low pressure, which means probably a small tropical storm. Then a hurricane. I show you developing maximum strength, then weakening. It shows you the inside of a hurricane, which is big. Ooh, area 1, there's the rainbow, where I told you right in the rainbow video. Okay, rainbow caused by rain. Drop it. Pretty cool. Lightning ball. That's how a lightning ball works. They just did a test subject to show you how it actually works at the same time. This is will or wisp shape, spherical shape, oval shape, the pillar of fire shape. I'm going to show you how it affects watching the weather. And this is how weather works. I said this is how weather works by satellite. I'm going to show you this right here on the glow. I just drew that for example of storms. Like that. This is perfect predicting before a storm comes. Shows another map projection. Now this is the old-fashioned way to show you how weather works. Right there. Shows you old predicaments of like weather. Overcast is like that. Clear is like this. Thunderstorm will show like it looks like a bent R with an arrow and a dot. Now these are all right here. It's just showing you separate areas. And it's showing the map with different areas. Okay, that's snow. The blue is showers, and the rain goes this way. Ice is a V shape. The HS, high pressure. 1 to 2 day forecast. 4 to 10 day forecast, and over 10 day forecast. And this is where you can get the weather from each area. Here's another map of the Moe, but this time it shows the North and South Pole Moe. That shows you how they form out Antarctica with fronts like this. So it goes nearly tilted upside down. So it's climate system of the Earth. Pretty cool. Hey, when it rotates, it's annoying. That one's pretty cool. This one is looks like a Robinson projection. High pressure area. And this one's a low pressure area where rain forms. I just drew that, and I just drew that for high clouds. You know, these are actual clouds. Pacific High. The front line. Show you more rain clouds, and I just drew that in there. Now this is how it affects the air compared to the good area. This is what it looks like normally, and this is what it looks like if people have factories like this. And it's just showing layers, and I just drew the clouds again. Now this one shows you a thunder cloud. It looks like a hurricane or a thunder cloud. And I just drew that little clouds there. And more clouds over here. It shows you where it is and there it goes. And these just show you animals and how it formed the earth. Like in my last video. Like, comment, subscribe, do daily videos.